Hi everyone. Uh, so today we are going to do some normal automation in string manipulation. Let's read how we can do string manipulation in uipath. So first, the most important duty that I am going to perform is in date time. So how we used to get date time according to date, according to day, according to month, according to year, according to changing the format in different ways. So let's, as UiPath follows VB.NET format. So let's take a message box. Okay, and if I want to display today's date, how I'm going to display today's date is just I need to put now dot to string. So what does it do? The now, normally it gives the output of today's date, time in seconds and microseconds, milliseconds format. So you can see today's date and today's time it is giving. So if I want to sort it, okay, so just take an assign activity. Just let's take a variable as today date. Okay, so let's short it as day. So system dot date time dot now dot dot to string. Okay, and I need in format of month and day. So let's run it. Let's call this variable today date. Okay, so we can change today date as date time. So the very data type that we normally use, system dot date time, whichever we want to convert. So if we are changing into system into date time, then we no need to put this dot to string. But we need to put it as a string format because it is already system dot date time is already converting into date time. So if we want to change the string into date time, then we are using system dot date time. So if you are using, for example, if I am using it as date time, then by default it is date time, it is not. Okay, so by default it is date time. So we can write now dot to string mmdd. This also work fine. So as it is reading a string format, so it's better we take it a string and then convert it into date time format. Okay, so how we are going to convert is system dot date time dot now means today's dot to string. So it is converting today's date into mmdd format. So let's run. mmdd, the month has to be capital or else it won't read in. So see, it is reading as September 18. Okay, so if I want to sort the date, okay, i I want in ddmm format, I want the date to be coming first. So I can create in this format y. Four y's have to be written. So let's debug it. So it will be coming as first date, then month, then year. So you can see this format will come. Okay, but in our system, if we compare, so today's date is coming as September 18. So month is coming first. So it's better practice. We'll always take this month to be coming first, then DD, then YY. Okay. So today's date, it's been taken. Okay. So if today's date is taking a system date time. Okay. It is taking as my system's date time. If I want to take another variable as in assign activity as control K today date 1, let's take another variable and let's take it as now dot to string. Okay, and let's take the format as mmmdd yyyy. Okay, and let's compare the values. If today's date 1 is equal to today date, okay, so it will display a message box, both are equal. What I am doing is I'm just comparing my system's date time with today's date time, if it is same or not. So if it is same, then it is going to display as both are equal. So it is same, right? So we can create and we can manipulate certain variable. Okay, so yeah, this is all about today's session. We can let's begin with another session.